My 3 best healthy evening tips for a successful tomorrow. Number 3. Enjoy puzzles and/or coloring books. Pick an evening hobby you enjoy that helps you relax and wind down. Word games, puzzles, coloring, knitting. All of these hobbies can relax the mind and body while keeping your brain powered up. Whatever you do, make sure you find it relaxing and not taxing. The whole idea is to power down to a ramped up tomorrow. Number 2. Music and chill. Put on some chill music and sing to your heart's content. Nothing too sad. Nothing too exciting. Dance tomorrow. Chill tonight. Use this time to visit with family and friends. See what is going on in the lives of the ones you love. Then focus on your tomorrow. Number 1. Write down your tasks and goals for tomorrow. Planning ahead is never a bad thing. Time management is crucial to having a great day and getting it all done. Write your entire week out or go day by day. Either way, you will find completing your tasks is easier when you have a list to check off. Now get out there and enjoy your life.